You are going to love the 2024 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, compass. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.